Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CELZ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the uptrend continues on this one, although I will say that it's a little tricky to talk about from a presentation standpoint where I sit, because there's quite a bit of perspective that goes into it. What do I mean by that? Well, if you're some sort of day trader, flipper, scalper, whatever you're going to call yourself, and you bought this morning right there, or you bought right there, and your plan was to buy and sell within 25 minutes. Well, from that perspective, then yeah, the chart's looking pretty bad, because from that angle, there's been a relatively big pullback. However, assuming you care about more than that, you're not a scalper, you're not a day trader, and you care about the overall viewpoint, then everything is still perfectly fine. And I'm not saying at all this is what's going to actually happen, but just for explanation's sake, let's say that their price pulls back even more, comes down to that area at 0.024, that green line, which I've talked about in past videos, and then works its way back upwards. What would you still have? Now, emphasis here on big picture. Well, from the big picture perspective, you would still have a set of lows here. You would still have lows here. You'd have lows right there. You'd have lows down there. And if you envision each one of those as stair steps, what do you have? Well, from the big picture point of view, you would still very clearly have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to, make and show signs of progress. And again, in this situation, that quote unquote sign of progress being at 0.024. Again, I'm well aware if you are a flipper or day trader and you bought there or there, then yeah, you don't care about these stair steps. But that's why I try to offer up a warning that I would be commenting from the bigger picture point of view. So yeah, today the price pulled back, but stop and think about that word, today, as in one day. Looking at multiple days as we're doing here, you can see the price does still have plenty of opportunity to chip away and build a higher base. So let's see if the price can get that job done or not moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.